However, some users have complained that the Swift 3 SF314-57G's construction is not as robust as they would want. Compared to laptops with a metal chassis, the plastic construction could feel a little flimsy. The keyboard backlighting is also less bright and less programmable than on some other laptops in this price bracket. The Acer Sfift3 SF314-57G provide a decent blend of performance, portability, and affordability despite this minor flaw. It is a good option for people looking for a dependable laptop for regular usage or live productivity work due to its strong specs, extended battery life, and affordable pricing. Acer Sfift3 SF314-57G is a stylish, lightweight laptop with respectable performance at a reasonable cost. A 14-inch Full HD IPS display with good color accuracy and clear images is a characteristic of this device. The display scene visual provides an immersive viewing experience. This laptop has an Intel Core i7 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and an exclusive NVIDIA GeForce MX 350 graphic card inside. It is suitable for routine work like online browsing, document editing, media consumption like gaming, and casual video editing thanks to this spec. The Sfift3 SF314-57G speedy solid-state drive with capacity starting at 512 GB offers plenty of room for your data and programs. The laptop also features a number of connectors including USB Type-C, USB 3.1 HDMI, and an SD card reader, enabling seamless connectivity. The battery life of the laptop is one of its best quality, with a battery life of up to 10 hours. You can anticipate it to operate closely for a day of light to moderate use. This makes it an excellent option for those who are always on the go, such as students or working people.